2008 Chevy Impala muffler removal. Taking the old one out was easy because it had broken off of that side, and all I had to do was really push those things out of the hangers on this side. Now for the fun part of putting the new one in. Since the pipe is shot and we don't have a new one, we gotta temporarily hook it up with one of these style of band clamps. And this one has a longer piece that fell off of that one. So this should be fun. Nice and easy job to put this on, except for that end. First step is to put these through the hangers so it'll hold up in place. Okay, I'm gonna put this through here first to hold it on. And then this one, ouch. Watching out for the sharp metal on the pipe at the back. Or at least I should have been watching out for the sharp metal, and I wasn't. So now, we got this newfie clamp. And if you're not Canadian, you may not know what that is, but that's okay. Google it. So now, I basically just line it up as good as I can. Put that clamp on. And then this bar goes into it, like that. And then I get the two nuts. 3 if you count me. Put them on. Where's the other one? I know there's another one somewhere. I threw it over here. There it is. Found it. And then just tighten it. Somewhere I have a wrench. There it is. Just magically appeared out of nowhere. Look at that. I love it. Now, if anybody notices what I'm doing wrong here, I should be turning the nut end where the wrench is and tightening the other end, but I don't have a deep socket handy, and I don't feel like going to look for one. So this will work in a pinch. And now we're done, and it's that easy. And now all we got to do is start it. This is what they're supposed to look like. We couldn't find one for the other side. The store was out of stock. So we'll do that one later. Such a very slight leak around here, it's not really a big deal. But at least it's going to hang on. The end. And that's how you change the muffler on a 2008 Chevy Impala.